This video is to provide substitutes with a quick tutorial of how to maintain profile information using the Smart Find Express mobile app. Once logged in, substitutes will want to go to Settings. Settings is where substitutes can maintain their profile information. The General tab includes notifications as well as classifications. Notifications is where substitutes can indicate their preferences for the in-app push notifications as well as the SMS text notifications. Features in this section can be enabled by switching the toggle from gray to green, indicating that they wish to receive these types of notifications. Substitutes can also update their mobile number by clicking Enter Mobile Phone Number. Displayed will be the current phone number on file with their system. When changing the phone number, substitutes will need to re-enter it in to confirm that it is accurate. Select the mobile provider from the listing below. Be sure that you are selecting the provider in whose cell phone towers you are using. Once you have finished making changes, be sure to click Save. Substitutes who wish to enable job offers by text will select Job Offers and switch the toggle to green. This will enable the text message job offers feature, and all job offers will be shifted to a text rather than a phone call. Be sure to hit Save to save your settings. Classifications will show a listing of individual classifications, or under My Groups, a grouping of classifications. The Availabilities tab will display the scheduled view of available work times as well as do not call times that are set. To edit these, substitutes can click on Schedule to adjust each day of the week's availability as well as do not call times. Substitutes can even add a custom time by clicking the plus sign and entering in the start time of availability as well as the end time. Be sure to save your changes. Any changes will be reflected in the Availability tab under Schedule View. Any of the features with toggles can be switched to green to activate. Again, once changes have been made, be sure to save. Unavailability dates can be entered as well by clicking Unavailability. Listed will be any current or past unavailability dates that have been entered into our system. To add a date range of unavailability, click Add. Substitutes can enter a start and end date of days that they are unavailable to work. Substitutes can also indicate if they are unavailable during that date range all day or for a specific time range. Substitutes have the ability to enable call for future jobs in which they will receive phone calls or text messages depending on their preference during those dates of unavailability. Turning the toggle gray means that this is off and substitutes will not receive any phone calls during this date range of unavailability. Be sure to hit Save. The Personal tab will display email, password, contact information, address, and the ability to write a review of the mobile app. In the email section, substitutes can change their email address by entering in their email. They will have to confirm it for accuracy and hit Save to retain the information. Substitutes can even change their password. They will have to enter in their current password as well as a new password and re-enter the new password as well to confirm. Contact information is where substitutes can block phone calls from Smart Find Express by turning the toggle green. It will ask for a confirmation. The callback number is the phone number that our system will use to contact you for subbing opportunities. To change your callback number, click on Callback Number. The current callback number will be listed. To change, enter in a new callback number. Be sure to include 1 as the phone number prefix, then the area code, and then your number. You will need to confirm the callback number by typing it in again. Be sure to hit Save to retain the information. If you need to set a temporary do not call, you will want to select Do Not Call Until. You will be able to enter up a time that is up to 4 hours from the current time. If a time is not entered, you'll be called during the regular call-out periods. For those that are opting in to receive their job offers by text, our district number, which is used only for text message job offers, is listed below. Be sure to add this phone number into your cell phone's contacts. The address section will be the mailing address that your district has given to us to have on file for you in our system. If your mailing address has changed, please be sure to notify your district. They will then update us here at the Subservice Helpline. Write a Review will allow substitutes to write a review of the Smart Find Express mobile app for our vendor. By clicking on Write a Review, your phone should take you to the Smart Find Express mobile app in your app store. To write a review, scroll down to Write a Review. If at any time you need to log out of your mobile app, you will go to the top right-hand corner where there is a bracket and an arrow, and it will ask you to confirm if you're sure you want to log out. A good rule of thumb is to update your profile information every marking period. This will ensure that we have the most accurate and current settings for your profile in our system.